In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the driver's side taillight located right here on the tail end of your vehicle. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the top of your taillight. I'm using a trim tool on the back side. What we're pulling out are these 2 retainer posts that actually press into locking tabs inside the body here. I'm going to go ahead and turn all of our lights sockets here counterclockwise. Remove all the bulbs and the taillight from the body. Install your bulbs into the taillight. Put those in, turn those clockwise and lock them into place. You want to line up the 2 posts on the bottom with the holes with the retainer tabs. Gently, with 2 hands, push that into place. Once that's in, we're going to go ahead and install our upper screws. Now you just want to snug these down. We're just securing plastic into the metal body, so just snug them down gently. Repeat the same for this one. The process for the driver's side is the same for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.